Jedziesz. No więc to resztę mało interesuje. O! Mamy hamowacza. Dawaj.
You've gone on the back of him, haven't you?
Yes, a little bit, not much, but a little bit, yes.
Have you got an insurance card, one of ours?
Yeah, can you check camera right now? That was like a minute ago, no problem. So what you wanted to do?
A few moments later.
A co skurwysyn robi? Ty kurwa idioto jebany. O kurwa, to ja cię kurwa teraz zgłoszę na policję.
Wrong lane, mate, to do that. Your lane was straight on.
After a breakdown earlier, on the A2 eastbound there are also queues. It's partly
Well, the
blocked.
Money Super 7 shows you could get a better deal on your credit card. But don't panic. You could super save £317 with help from the smart.
Go on then.
Visit Money's Supermarket to save now.
Not gonna honk at you because I'm not an arsehole, but still, proper arsehole having you move there, mate.
Ja pierdolę, co za popierdoleniec, kurwa!
What it is. Green means a go.
Get your phone down.
Whoa, what is going on here?
find out this afternoon, won't we? And then what I can do is I can mess it, because it won't change the depth of the surf, it will just change the height in which...
She's making really good.
Oh my god, it's red from the other way.
Ta-da! That Merc jumped the light. There's a lot that do that. This.
Did that Golf just go for a red light?
Oh, mate, that's a big fire, that.
Is from the RAC. He agrees.
We know that over a third of these stoppages on all-lane running smart motorways are occurring in live lanes, and that is a very, very frightening thing for someone to have to deal with. And obviously, if you can't get out of your car, then the official advice is to remain in the vehicle with your seatbelt on and hazard lights on.
Turn right from lane 1. Where did you learn to drive?
It's time for carols.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Clifton Lane, B679.
A wild mini.
A wild mini? No, there isn't.
I've got a thing called a Nekuth boost, which you just put on the battery and it boosts the battery power. Alright. No problem, no problem. You've got to keep it good for about 20 minutes. You've got to drive it round for about 20 minutes to charge the battery up again. Alright, try it, see if it goes. But check it for a 20-minute drive, okay? Try it. Yeah, 20-minute drive, then you're done, okay?
I'm no mechanic, but I think that's...
No, I used to have them. Double or drop. Every time you hit a double or drop song today, you know it's worth £10,000. Amazing, thank you. Joe Nostri, the last person to collect that cash. That was with Pandora.
Oh, and here we have a P4 Rover.
Can't get through, can he?
No.
I don't think it's... Yeah, he can't get through. It's not the trucker's fault.
It's the person who parked there's fault.
Is he up?
he seriously attempting a 3-point turn here?
I don't know what he's doing. Some guy just come out of the house waving at
Waving
him.
a key, yeah.
Business.
Charge so that everything from miles around knows that there's a predator in town. No dangers like that here, fortunately, but our black buck occasionally have to put up with a monkey hitching a ride on their backs, which they
Hello.
don't seem to mind.
We have a monkey on our car. But there's no aerial for it to pull off.
There it is.